Hello everyone, welcome back to Creo Parametric. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to assemble the knuckle joint parts in Creo Parametric software. In the previous video lecture, we discussed about how to develop the knuckle joint parts in Creo Parametric software. In this video lecture, let us discussing about how to assemble those parts in Creo parametric software. You can see here already assemble those parts in Creo parametric software. Now close this window, open, click on new and choose assembly and give the name knuckle joint assembly. Knuckle underscore joint underscore assembly. Please don't give the space in between two words. In the place of space you can give underscore. Then click on OK and choose assembly. First you need to choose the main part or base part regarding those assembly. Here the base or default part is fork end. That's why I am choosing fork end. Then click on open. Now the fork end is imported in this menu. Choose placement. This is the default one. Then click on OK. After this you need to import the second component or second part by using assemble. Second one is end open. Now the second part is imported. Now we need to assemble those two components, that is fork end and second one is end. Once carefully observe these two parts. Here these in between these double fork you need to insert this end. So that's why I am selecting this surface and also select this surface. This should be coincided. Next one is this fork end bottom surface and this end top surface. This should be coincided. This is the way to you can assemble these two components in Creo parametric software. You can also rotate this part. Okay, after this click on OK. Now you need to add one more part. Go to the assemble, pin, part number 3 is pin, open. Now the pin is added in this screen. Here this surface, this fork end or end, this inside surface coincide with this pin outside surface, and also this pin bottom surface and this fork top surface should be also coincide like this. Then click on OK. After this you need to add fourth point, that is fourth part collar. Go to the assemble, import collar, click on open. Here you need to assemble this component with this pin. So here this inside diameter 24 match with this pin diameter, that is 24 mm. So you can select outside surface. You can also move the component with respect to x and y. Here one more point. This collar, this surface coincide with this fork, this surface. Then click on OK. After this you need to assemble the last component, that is taper pin. Go to the assemble, choose taper pin, click on open. Now the taper pin is imported in this workspace. Here you need to insert that pin here in this hole. So select this surface, taper pin outside surface, and this collar inside surface. Now this taper pin coincide with collar pin, collar hole. Then move this taper pin towards collar throw pin. You can see it. This is the way to you can assemble. Then click on OK. This is the way to you can assemble any components, any type of parts in Creo parametric software in easy way. You can see here. You can also edit, select the respective part, then click on edit definition. For example, I want to rotate this component, so select that component. You can rotate respect to this axis. This is the way to you can rotate that component with respect to default one. Then click on, now close this window. You can also add the colors for different parts. For example, I want to add the color for forkend. Select forkend, go to the appearance, choose one color. Then select eye end, you can select one more color. Now you can select pin, go to the appearance, choose one color. Then you can also select this color, go to the appearance, apply the color. This is the way to you can differentiate different parts with different colors. Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.